This video will tell you 2 great formulas and several different examples for email copywriting that will save you from thinking for hours. In addition, I have tested and improved this method so much that I am sure it will be very useful for you. I'm Cyrus from MoreConvert team, and if you want to be stronger in marketing and growing your online business every day, subscribe to the channel. And now let's move on to the first formula, PAT. It is made of 3 words, each of which starts with a sign. Using PAT or PAT, you can write professional email text that increase clicks and gets more people to your site. PAT or PAT stands for pain, annoyance, and treatment. At the beginning of the text of the email, we address an obvious pain of our audience. Then we explain how annoying this pain is. In the last part, we offer treatment or solution that is our product or a free video that one can download from our site. Pain is a completely personal case. It is a feeling that a person feels inside. And if you learn personal design from my other video, you know what's your user pain. Annoyance is a case that usually occurs to others, which is a kind of pain. And treatment, solution, or product that we want to offer to the audience. Let's talk about the examples for knowing more about it. Example number 1, high-speed internet sales. First of all, what is the problem if our audience does not have high-speed internet or is not satisfied with their internet? And we write visually this problem in the text of email. For example, imagine it is 10 p.m. You want to download and watch a movie from the internet. And you want to start watching this movie at 10:30 p.m. You find a movie that is start downloading, eventually you get frustrated that the download time is 1 p.m. So you can't start watching the movie at 10:30 p.m. because it takes about 3 hours to download this movie. You are very upset because my internet is slow and takes a long time to download the movie. This is a pain part. Now think about how someone who has a slow internet connection can be annoyed. So, what bad feeling is created in front of others? For example, you can write that one of your friends calls and asks why you are upset, and you say, I want to download a movie, and now it is 10:10. However, there are still 2 hours and 50 minutes left until the end of the download. Your friend says mockingly, send me the link to download it in 10 minutes and I'll send the flash memory to you. How annoying are you that the slow internet has caused others humiliate and question you? So we visualize this annoyance in the text of the email and say your friend tells you with a smile that you have always been slow in life. In the treatment section, we can write that we have a very convenient and hassle-free offer if you want to get rid of these cases. Just enter our site, fill out the form, get a high-speed internet SIM card, and pay at home. This can be a very good and professional email text for internet sales. Example number 2, selling furniture. Suppose you want to sell furniture online. What is the pain of the audience? Maybe he has a piece of furniture that is not comfortable now. Every time he uses sofa, he has to put something behind him that is more comfortable and is old and outdated. So this is the pain. You can write in the text of the email, do you have to use an extra thing every time you sit on the sofa and watch movie? Do you have back pain? Are you tired? For annoyance section, you can say when a guest comes to your house, every time he says, when is your birthday? And you seriously ask how? And he say, because I will give you a sofa as a gift to get rid of these old and unuseful sofas. Here you get upset. You can write the same memory and text as annoyance in the email. In the last part, we'll discuss the treatment. For example, we say that we can offer a furniture that has no problem and it is quite comfortable. Whenever your relatives and friends come to your house, their question is not when is your birthday, but the question is, can you give us the address of the furniture store? Give them. And then we can explain that the click right now, and by filling out the form, our experts will contact you, give a free advice, and so on. Example number 3, slimming pills. For example, suppose you sell pills that cause weight loss. You can point to the pain you often have a guilty conscience when you are hungry. But you know you shouldn't eat too much. In fact, you eat, but you don't enjoy, you don't feel good, and eventually you don't feel good, get fatter. In annoyance section, you can write, if you were careful, every time you go to a party to try to eat more food, everyone looks at you strangely and you feel guilty. In the treatment section, you can tell us to use your slimming pills. If you don't want to pay a lot, just get few samples of these pills. If you enjoy it, you can buy the full package and just click to this product or say to get more information or more technical information about this pill, or you can click here to know more. So you see, with the PAT method, you can write texts that have a great impact and persuade the audience to click and enter your site. One of the most powerful ways to write email text. You can convince a person enough with just 3 paragraphs of explanation makes your links click. And it is better to add a sentence in the call to action section. Why now is the best time to click. And formula number 2, FAP formula, compression for the 3 words, assets, feeling, and position. Suppose you have a product or solution for the customer. In that case, all you have to do is to make table with the first row of assets, the second row of feelings, and the third row of position. Write 2 things at the top of this page about the customer's feeling and the position before having the product. And after having this product, what are the assets, feelings, and position of the customer? FAP formula is similar to PAT formula, but more comparisons are made in this method. For example, we write that you have a completely opposite piece and you have complete back pain while sitting on it. Wouldn't you like to have a piece of furniture that is comfortable? Or are you not interested in getting up from the movie when you finish it? In fact, you compare the audience assets before the product and after having the product in one sentence. No, it is the turn of the position. Position means your social status. And status are something relevant to others. You can say that, does everyone who comes to your house makes fun from your furniture and doesn't convey good feeling to you? Your position is in question. Some may say, you are an electronics engineer. How do you have such a furniture? Or they make fun of you. Be careful that your customers do not see your furniture because they change their view of you. Therefore, we draw the audience position before having our product, then we draw the position of the audience after having our product. For example, when your relatives and friends come to your house and see your sofa, they will respect you more. And they will consider you a very nice person. Finally, we ask the audience that if you want to go from this situation to a new and better situation, just click here. In the next video, I want to share 5 great ideas for opening your emails more easily. Be sure to check out these 5 new and attractive ideas to design better emails with a very good open rate and click rate. Like this video if it was useful for you and catch you in next video. Bye bye.